Welcome everyone. This is going to be a course on internet programming. I am Gayatri from Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. So, this session basically give you an idea about PHP and form validation without connecting a database for developing an web application. Let's get started.
Internet Programming Unit 4 PHP. Okay, first of all, why PHP? PHP is one of the most popular open source server side scripting language for developing an web application. So, first one, most popular means 10 million plus websites are using PHP. Many of the world's largest and fastest growing organizations like Facebook, Wikipedia, Google, Yahoo, WordPress are using PHP. Second one is open source. We already know open source means original source code is available, freely available for use, read, modify, extend our original source code. Last one, server side scripting language. Before that, we have to know two types of server side scripting language. Two types of scripting language. First one is client side scripting language, another one is server side scripting language. Client side scripting language means scripts are executed on client-side machine. Server-side scripting language means scripts are executed on remote or server machines. Then finally, PHP means hypertext preprocessor. Original name is personal homepage. Later it is changed to hypertext preprocessor. Then PHP client and server side communication. Client side always sending the request to a server through internet. Then server side responds the message through internet. So there is a three limitations in PHP. The first limitation is here client and server machine must be connected to internet, that is network online. So it is the first limitation. Second one is for independent developer have to purchase own server, or else we can purchase on space on server. Then we can develop an application. We just upload file into a server. If anything need to be updated, we have to download a file, update, then re-upload it to the server. It is neither time effective or cost effective. It is too expensive. These are the drawbacks or limitations of developing PHP applications. For that, we are using local servers. That is, four types of local server available. So first one is WAMP, second one is LAMP, third one is XAMP, fourth one is MAMP. W means window, L for Linux, X for any OS, M for Mac OS. So AMP, A means Apache, M means MySQL, P means PHP engine. So Apache is responsible for accepting requests from the client and sending response back to the server. Then MySQL responsible for database management. Then PHP responsible for executing PHP script. Next topic is how to validate a form through PHP. So first of all, we have to write HTML code. So for writing HTML code, the starting script tag is HTML open, end is HTML closed. In HTML, there is a two major tags, head tag, then body tag. Inside the head tag, title tag is used. After that, body tag. Inside the body tag, I am writing PHP code as well as I am creating one form. First, we see form. Form, there is a two attribute. In form, there is a two attribute. First one is action. That is, after submitting this form, where this page will move on. That is called action. That is test.php. Then method is post method. We are using two type of method, get, second one is post method. Then form, there is a two input field. First one is username, second one is password. two input field, then third one is submit button. So form, then after that PHP code. So PHP code, starting of the PHP code, less than question mark PHP. It is a beginning of the PHP code. End of the PHP code, question mark greater than symbol. So within a code, I'm writing PHP. For example, here if condition first line is set. Is set is it is an inbuilt PHP function. Is going to checking an if a variable is set or not. That is variable already declared or null. Then second one is $_post. So if you want access variable from the HTML page, for example, HTML page having a two attributes, username and password. I want to get these values to an PHP file, means I'm using $_post variable. So I am getting username and password. Then after that, again if condition. So first if condition, username equal to, that is username equals demo. Then password equals 1234. Here I'm assigning the static value. If username demo and password 1234 equal, means it will print successfully logged. So here print, we are using echo statement. If it is wrong, means it show login failed. Thank you, students.